Today we're jumping into another do-it-yourself boat repair. And before we get started, I want to be clear, I am definitely not an expert. This video is just for entertainment and to show you what I'm doing on my own boat. So don't take this as professional advice. That being said, there are a few jobs on the boat I'm comfortable with tackling myself to save a few dollars. And one of those is replacing the Shurflo Macerator pump by Pentair. These pumps only come with a 1-year warranty. With as much as we use this boat, I usually get about 2 years out of them. The biggest challenge isn't really the pump itself, it's getting down into the bilge. It's a tight squeeze, it takes a little patience, and maybe a few choice words along the way. So let's climb in there and get this pump swapped out. To get started, I usually like to put a few towels down on the through-hull transducer, since it's right where I need to sit to be able to swap this pump out.
All right, let's see if I can get down in here. Isn't the ideal situation. Not sure what that came from. You guys can see that, but she's a little corroded. Tell you one thing, it's a little warm in here. Last time I did this, we put a little 4200 on here, and I think it's going to be a little bit of a problem to get off. I really wish they'd have put this transducer in a different spot. Crusty. Last time I swore to myself I wouldn't put 4200 on here again. It's a pain to get off. You just have to cut it. This isn't really the right tool for this. I know one thing, it's hot in here. I tell you one thing, when you're in here, you don't want to get back out. One more time, let's get back in there. Got tools. That's cut there. Kind of need to just cut it. Got a little cut right there. Ugh. Isn't that lovely? I guess that wasn't purged. That stinks. Dog hell, what the heck? Lovely. The joys of not being able to pump this out. It's kind of nasty. Stinks too. Do it yourself, saves you money. My back's gonna be messed up. That pump is smoked. Some of the Bilge pump works. I may have to heat that up. I got cloth. No need for a sauna tonight. There we go. On there. Get on there, baby. done.
Well, that job is officially done. Replacing the fish box macerator pump was definitely a tight squeeze. It's pretty hot down there in the bilge, but we managed to get it swapped out and working again. I only picked up a few bumps and bruises along the way, so I'll call that a win. Hopefully this gave you a quick look at what's involved if you're thinking about tackling something like this on your own boat. As always, I'm not an expert, just trying to save a few dollars where I can. If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and follow along for more fishing and real-world do-it-yourself projects.